To begin, place 1 pound of ground chicken in a large mixing bowl, followed by half a medium-sized onion finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1/3 of a cup of plain breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of fresh Italian parsley, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of buffalo sauce, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now combine all the ingredients until evenly incorporated. Then, using a cookie scoop, scoop out the meatballs onto a tray lined with parchment paper. You can make them into perfectly round meatballs if you want to with your hands, just like so. However, they are so sticky that you don't really have to do that. Being that said, I'm not going to roll them with my hands. They look good enough just with a cookie scoop. Now, set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat for 3 minutes. Place the meatballs into the preheated air fryer basket. Air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. The internal temperature of your chicken meatballs should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You may flip your meatballs halfway through the cooking process, however, I never flip them and they always turn out just fine. And after air frying them for 10 minutes, your meatballs should look like this. Transfer them into a large mixing bowl. Pour over them 3/4 of a cup of buffalo sauce. Toss them in the buffalo sauce until all the meatballs are evenly coated. Place them onto a plate or a platter and serve. You may garnish with crumbled gorgonzola cheese, and as a dipping sauce you may use ranch or blue cheese. I believe now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer chicken meatballs, but better, air fryer buffalo chicken meatballs. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!